Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? Thanks so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe and also follow me on all social media. Okay, I do post daily here on YouTube, so you can subscribe to be updated with my upcoming videos. So yeah, I just created this very simple eye makeup look, and also I did some makeup on my face too, lips and everything. So yeah, to see everything, keep on watching. So let's begin. I did my face makeup, not fully done, but I did apply the foundation, and also I did my eyebrows, and also like I did the concealer under my eye area. I haven't applied any concealer under the brows, but I am going to do that. And also I have applied the lashes. As you can see, I have applied these lashes today, and this is the name. I wasn't going to make this video, but like I just thought of doing something to my eyes, so I thought I will just share with you all. So after applying the lashes, like my eyes looks really nice. I haven't applied anything on my eyelid also. Okay, first I'm going to show you the products I have used. I have used like this Maybelline Fit Me concealer under my eye area, and also I have used these two foundation which I have used in my last video by Maybelline, and this one is 60 caramel and this one is 48 sun beige. So I have mixed both of them together again. Literally it's one of my current favorite foundations. And also like I have applied this Uptown brow powder on my eyebrow. Okay, this is in the shade Ebony. So now I'm going to just apply a little bit of this concealer under my brow area. Just like this. And Isha did a makeup tutorial for you all. I don't know how she did it, but this is the first time she filmed a video of her doing her makeup. So I am going to just apply some of this powder now by Maybelline. Same is always I'm applying the same favorite powder. Okay, okay, only this much I'm applying today. So after this I'm going to like make another video, makeup tutorial video. I'm going to do Eliza's makeup. I don't know how she wants it today, so I'm gonna film it for you all. So I'm going to just bronze my face a little with the same Ofra bronzer. Always look down while doing your nose. This way you will see exactly how to line it up. So yeah, this much is okay. A little bit here too. Okay, I'm going to just leave my eyes like this on top. Like I haven't applied any concealer no products, I will say. I'm going to use the same Becca highlighter as I've used in my last video. This one is Moonstone. So I'm going to just apply this Elizabeth Mott Queen of the Fill tinted brow gel. It's my favorite. Like, I used to apply this a lot without like applying any brow product. Just this one. It does tint your brows really well. You don't need any other product. Like, if you are just like getting ready for every day. I'm going to just use this what you call blush. Okay, so this is by Makeup Revolution. Let's see which one I'm going to use today. So this one, okay, it's my favorite. Or this one. I think I'm gonna mix both of this today. I think would look good. Let's see. It's like this, this. Ooh, it's beautiful. It's pretty. Like in my last video, my camera angle was really bad, and then I brought a table, and now like I'm doing it on my new table here, and my vanity is at the back. So I'm going to just move the vanity to Eliza's room. Maybe she will like it. I'm just thinking, and like maybe I'll get a new one for myself, but like I don't want to move it today. I'm gonna move it some other day, but I'm going to first show you all how this area looks, maybe in one video. Literally, I did clean everything up yesterday. It's fresh. Everything looks so fresh, clean, and yeah, I'm going to just spray with this favorite setting spray by Maybelline. Okay, not too much because I already like sprayed a few times. So for the eyes, I'm going to just apply this liner by Maybelline, Color Show Crayon Kohl Matita Ochi. Okay, so looks like this. This is green one. Okay, so like it will match my dress really well. So I'm going to go for a very nude natural lips today, maybe just a gloss. So I'm just going to line this part. Okay, and let's see how pretty it looks. So okay, it's sharp. You can apply a green eyeshadow over it, but I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to just apply a black liner onto my waterline. This is by Maybelline. Like my nails, like literally it's from Shein. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to apply this mascara by Maybelline. This is Falsies Surreal. Okay, I've done review on this. It's on my channel, so it's nice. Okay, it gives 16% of volume. So I'll have to apply onto my lower lashes. So for the lips, I'm just using this Wet n Wild's brown liner. I think this is brown. I can't see it because it's all gone, as you can see. Can't see much. It's an old liner, okay? Hi guys.
Looking very chunky.
लोग को बता दो तुम्हारा जो मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल एक करा है.
Oh yeah, I did a makeup tutorial today. I don't know if this video is going before or my one, but you should go watch it.
How did you do it? I didn't even see, no? Did it well?
I think so. This is the other monkey.
Hi, I'm going to do Eliza's makeup after. Hi, Bolga.
Hello.
Hello. That's
Oh,
it.
you know that top goes, you're supposed to wear it like this.
Oh,
It's not supposed to be over here.
oh, the shin one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it looks good,
Now
no?
it looks good.
Yeah.
When you did it before, it looked weird.
Okay, I want a lip gloss.
Right here. No, that's a lip topper.
No, that's okay. I'm gonna be applying that one on top. So I should be using
Dark.
pull these creatures here. Okay, slowly. Vijay. This one? Let's switch this one. I think, no? Yeah. Okay, I'm going
She's
to...
gonna do this.
This one here. Yeah, this one is by Makeup Revolution in the shade Stripped. I think I've applied this
Where do
one
your lashes go? I took them out last night.
on Eliza's like lips.
There's a pimple.
Very natural
you
lips
say
I
that,
like. Like I applied this on your lips the last time.
Oh.
And on top of this lipstick, I'm going to apply this gloss by Maybelline. And this one is, oh my gosh, it feels so good. Okay, this has a name.
Yes, sure.
Plus hyaluronic acid. और कौन सी दिखाने हैं जना दिखाते नहीं. So little.
Acid, hyaluronic.
No, it just says the same thing in different language.
Oh.
That's why I can't read. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little on my
Don't use your finger.
Hey,
I can't put direct.
You can use a brush.
hey,
ये लड़की इतना खराब लड़की है, सब वीडियो में उंगली दिखा दे अपन. Oh god. Wow, looks so pretty. No, Liza.
Very pretty.
it doesn't look like you put a lot of this on.
Yeah, I don't want to put.
Okay, you done?
See, कितना कितना
Bitch.
खराब काम लड़की करे खड़ा है. पता नहीं अपन वीडियो में कौन सी करी.
I just said bitch a lot.
Good job.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you all liked it, and literally I just love how it came out, especially the eyes. And I can just apply a little bit of highlighter in front, but I think it will be too much because I want my eyes to look very natural today. Okay, and yeah, everything is green and natural, and like I just love it. Okay, so if you want to see more tutorial like this, I'm going to be uploading more videos. Like I'm like uploading every day. It's really a hard job for me to film every day, and on top of that I have to also film some workout clips for my YouTube shorts. Like I am not like posting on Instagram or other social media my workout videos, just cause I want you all to come and see on shorts. Okay, that's why. Okay, so yeah, you all take care. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye. See, she came with her stuff because she wanted me to do her makeup.